Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Aveeno lotion is probably one of the most popular choices for people with extra dry skin, and for good reason. Its effective formula, gentle ingredients, and widespread availability make it a convenient and reliable option for daily moisturizing. But before you add it to your cart, there are a few key things you should know to ensure it's the right fit for your skin type and needs, and that's exactly what we'll cover in this in-depth review. Number 5. Aveeno Skin Relief Lotion. Introducing Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion, designed for very dry skin. It's formulated with a soothing triple oat and shea butter formula to heal and hydrate. This rich lotion contains the goodness of triple oat and shea butter. These ingredients work together to soothe itchy, dry skin and provide long-lasting relief. Experience clinically proven relief from itchy, dry skin. It provides 48-hour moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and healthy. It includes a dimethicone skin protectant that helps to heal and protect your skin. This creates a barrier to lock in moisture and prevent further dryness. This lotion is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and dye-free, making it gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's also non-greasy and non-comedogenic. Enjoy 48 hours of continuous hydration. It's fast-absorbing, so you can apply it and get on with your day. For over 70 years, Aveeno has been a dermatologist-recommended brand. It combines the best of nature and science to care for your skin. What we like? It's a great value with its large size and long-lasting moisturizing effect. If you have very dry skin and need long-lasting hydration, this is perfect for you. The fragrance-free formula is also gentle enough for sensitive skin. What people say? The formula with natural shea butter and triple oat complex is incredibly soothing and leaves my skin feeling deeply hydrated and smooth. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy and provides long-lasting relief for itchy or irritated skin. Its creamy texture absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, and it effectively hydrates with the help of colloidal oatmeal. I love how soothing it feels, especially on irritated skin, and the subtle fragrance is pleasant yet not overpowering. This lotion is nice and thick, I can still feel the softness hours later. There's not much scent to it, but it smells fresh. Number 4. Aveeno Skin Relief Lotion. This lotion is specially designed for sensitive skin. It provides long-lasting relief from dryness and itchiness. It's formulated with a soothing blend of triple oat and shea butter. This combination helps to heal and protect your skin. Experience clinically proven 48-hour hydration. It locks in moisture to keep your skin feeling soft and comfortable. This lotion is non-greasy, non-comedogenic, and free of fragrances, parabens, and dyes. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Aveeno is a dermatologist-recommended brand with over 70 years of experience. Trust it to care for your skin's unique needs. It combines the goodness of nature with the power of science. Experience the Aveeno difference. What we like? This lotion provides all-day hydration for sensitive skin. If you are looking for a gentle, yet effective moisturizer for sensitive skin, this is a great option. The triple oat complex soothes and hydrates without irritation. What people say? The formula with natural shea butter and triple oat complex is incredibly soothing and leaves my skin feeling deeply hydrated and smooth. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy and provides long-lasting relief for itchy or irritated skin. Its creamy texture absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, and it effectively hydrates with the help of colloidal oatmeal. I love how soothing it feels, especially on irritated skin, and the subtle fragrance is pleasant yet not overpowering. This lotion is nice and thick, I can still feel the softness hours later. There's not much scent to it, but it smells fresh. Number 3. Aveeno Skin Relief Lotion. This lotion is specially formulated for sensitive skin. It provides long-lasting relief from dryness and itchiness. It's enriched with a soothing triple oat complex and shea butter to heal and moisturize your skin. This unique combination helps to lock in moisture for up to 48 hours. This lotion is clinically proven to relieve itchy, dry skin. Experience the difference of long-lasting hydration. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's also fragrance-free, paraben-free, and dye-free, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It's gentle enough for everyday use. This lotion helps to heal very dry skin and leaves it feeling soft and healthy. Aveeno is a dermatologist-recommended brand with over 70 years of experience. Trust it to care for your skin. What we like. This is a good balance of size and value for sensitive skin. If you prefer an unscented, gentle lotion for daily use, this is a great choice. It provides long-lasting hydration without any harsh fragrances. What people say. The formula with natural shea butter and triple oat complex is incredibly soothing and leaves my skin feeling deeply hydrated and smooth. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy and provides long-lasting relief for itchy or irritated skin. Its creamy texture absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, and it effectively hydrates with the help of colloidal oatmeal. I love how soothing it feels, especially on irritated skin, and the subtle fragrance is pleasant yet not overpowering. This lotion is nice and thick, I can still feel the softness hours later. There's not much scent to it, but it smells fresh. Number 2. Aveeno Intense Moisture Repair. Experience the deeply moisturizing power of Aveeno's Intense Moisture Repair Body Cream. It's specially formulated to relieve and restore even the driest skin. This rich cream combines the soothing benefits of a triple oat complex with nourishing shea butter. Together, they lock in intense moisture for long-lasting relief. It's clinically proven to provide 24-hour hydration. Say goodbye to dry, itchy skin and hello to comfortable, healthy-looking skin. This fragrance-free, non-greasy formula is allergy-tested, non-comedogenic, and free of parabens and dyes. It's perfect for even the most sensitive skin. For over 70 years, Aveeno has been a dermatologist-recommended brand, combining nature's goodness with scientific innovation. Trust it to care for your skin. For best results, start by cleansing your skin with Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash, then generously apply this cream all over your body. Enjoy the soft, healthy-looking skin you deserve. What we like. It's a rich cream that provides intense hydration and relief for extra dry skin. If you need intense moisture and prefer a cream over a lotion, this is the one for you. It's clinically proven to provide long-lasting relief. What people say. This moisturizer did great for that without being greasy or sticky. It excels at providing deep moisture that lasts throughout winter, penetrating multiple layers without causing irritation. Perfect for sensitive skin, it absorbs quickly and maintains its effectiveness all day. The texture is not greasy and quickly absorbed once applied to skin, leaving soft and moisturized skin for a whole day in winter. Number 1. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Introducing the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion Value Pack. This pack contains 3 travel-sized tubes, perfect for keeping your skin hydrated on the go. It provides intense, clinically proven moisturization that lasts a full 24 hours. Say goodbye to dry, uncomfortable skin. The unique formula contains soothing prebiotic oat. It absorbs quickly, locking in moisture and improving your skin's natural moisture barrier. This lotion is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and dye-free, making it perfect for even the most sensitive skin. It's also non-greasy and non-comedogenic. Aveeno is a dermatologist-recommended brand with over 65 years of experience. It's a trusted choice for healthy, radiant skin. Aveeno is committed to sustainability. They are working towards 100% recyclable, reusable, or compostable packaging by 2025. What we like. This is a convenient and affordable option for everyday use. If you are looking for a travel-friendly option or prefer a smaller size, this pack is perfect. The prebiotic oat formula is gentle and nourishing. What people say. It absorbs fast, never feels greasy and leaves no residue once absorbed. All I'm left with is softer skin and even works to keep my poor knees from feeling like sandpaper. The lotion absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It provides long-lasting hydration, keeping my skin feeling soft and moisturized throughout the day. Have bought the same set of lotion in the past. It's not thick and greasy like some lotions and it's not watery like others. Just a nice, smooth lotion that helps moisturize after hand washing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.